Manipur gi Khumang ki Shenmitlon Chaokhatnaba Horticulture, Horticulture, Fisheries amadi Handloom and Handicraft ki sector sing Khumang Chaosilhanba Mathou tai haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Phongdokre. Wafam asi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana State Focus Paper 2026-27 launch tawduna Agriculture, MSME amadi Rural Infrastructure, the Yumfam Oiba Nabab Manipur Regional Office ki State Credit Seminar English ngani kungataro kunkataret ki thoramda mahangna phongdokhibani Hotel Imphal da pangthokpa thoram aduda Manipur lenga ki Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Joel, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Nawab ki General Manager Pratha Mandal, AGM Dineshwar Thaudam, RVI Imphal gi Chief General Manager and Sirdharna Maru Oiba Miyoi Singh oina sarukya ki Churachandpur gi Tribes Project Virtual gi Kuthangda Maikum Hangdokpa yauna pangthokpa thoram aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai State Credit Seminar asina Agriculture, MSME amadi Rural Infrastructure da Financial Year amagi manungda thagadaba loan gi senfam khangdokpaga loinana haidiba sector sing asi hena chaokhatnabagi khongthang amasu oiribani Laipak ama ing tapna amasung marachet na panbada chokot khongthang gi thabak thorum sing tangai fadana paikhattaba yade maramaduna ngasi loan story ba state focus paper asina lamdam asibu kachin koya sen bathungna Khumang Chaosilhanba amadi chaokhatnabagi amata ngairaba khongthang oiragani Manipur gi oina Khumang gi Shenmitlon chaokhatnaba hotnabada Horticulture, Fisheries, Handloom and Handicraft amadi atai sector sing Khumang Chaosilhanba gi tangai fadaba lei Maramaduna Hiram Singh asida bank singi achoba thaudang sulei lengak ki maikai digi project sing asi mapung fana implement taunanaba amadi credit absorption capacity hengatnaba banking sector amasung development institution singa punna chatminagani haina su Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana makatana phongdoki
Theme 4 of this year's focus paper, Credit Development in Manipur, is therefore extremely appropriate and timely. I believe that development, the grassroots level requires strong institutional credit support. Credit is not merely a financial instrument, it is a powerful vessel for development. Therefore, the credit projections presented by NABARD today are extremely important and bringing development gaps in our state. Manipur has enormous potential in several sectors, horticulture, fisheries, handloom, handicraft, etc., that can transform our rural economy. In this regard, the banking sector has a crucial role to play. The state government is fully committed to working closely with the banking sector and development institutions to improve credit absorption capacity and project implementation. My deep appreciation for the continued support extended by the NABARD to the state of Manipur. I also acknowledge the valuable role played by the Reserve Bank of India and all banks operating in our state. Let us work together with renewed commitment to build a prosperous, resilient and self-reliant Manipur.